Hello, friends. Welcome to Amjee's English World. I'm Alice, and I'm really happy you're joining us today.
And I'm Adam. This is your cozy corner of the internet, where English becomes simple, fun, and part of your everyday life.
Together, we learn through little moments, ordering food, asking for help, chatting with people, or just telling your story.
We teach with clear examples, friendly conversations, and short stories that help. English stick in your mind.
So you can speak English naturally and confidently. Welcome to Amjee's English World.
Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell. Let's start learning, one story at a time.
Hello, amazing learners. Welcome back to Calm English Stories. I'm Alice.
And I'm Adam. Today's topic is delicious, warm, and super helpful for your English and your health.
Yes, we're talking about 5 foods that can boost your mood naturally.
Food that makes you happier? Yes, please.
Let's start with my favorite, dark chocolate. When I feel tired or a little sad, one small piece of dark chocolate helps me relax.
I remember a funny moment. One time I had a long day when Alice said, "Adam, you need this." And she handed me a tiny piece of dark chocolate it was a magical medicine.
Haha, and you looked surprised, like, wait, chocolate can fix my life.
Honestly, for a moment it did. Relax, to become calm. Chocolate helps me relax. A tiny piece, a very small amount. Just a tiny piece is enough.
Alice, repeat after me. I like dark chocolate. It helps me relax. Just a tiny piece is enough.
Next is bananas. They're full of natural energy.
Yes, and they help your body make serotonin, the happy chemical.
When I was a teenager, I used to eat a banana before every exam. It made me feel calm. Like the banana was saying, "Don't worry, Adam, you got this."
A supportive banana. I love it. Energy, power or strength. Bananas give you energy. Calm, not stressed. I feel calm before the exam.
Repeat after me. Bananas give me energy. I feel calm. I've got this.
Our third mood-boosting food is blueberries. They're sweet, small, and full of vitamins.
I call them tiny happy balls.
That is not scientific, but okay.
Well, when I eat a handful of blueberries, I feel light and fresh. Like my brain just opened a window. A handful. The amount you can hold in one hand. I ate a handful of blueberries. Fresh, clean, healthy, new. I feel fresh after eating fruit.
Repeat after me. I ate a handful of blueberries. They taste fresh. Fruit makes me feel good.
Number 4, carrots. Crunchy, bright, and great for your mood.
True. The crunch sound actually reduces stress.
I once brought baby carrots to a stressful meeting. And everyone was surprised "Adam, are you eating carrots right now?"
I would have laughed so hard.
But after a few bites, I felt more relaxed. Crunchy makes a loud, crisp sound. Carrots are crunchy. Reduce, make something lower. Carrots reduce stress. Adam, repeat after me. Carrots are crunchy. Crunching helps reduce stress. I feel better already.
And finally, green tea. Warm, calm, perfect for a quiet moment.
I drink green tea when I want to think clearly.
True story. Once Adam came to my house stressed and I handed him a warm cup. He took one sip and said, this tea understands me.
Haha, it really did. Sip, a small drink. Take a sip of tea. Clearly, with a clear mind. Green tea helps me think clearly.
Repeat after me. I take a small sip. Tea helps me think clearly. This feels calming.
Here are some real English phrases we often use with food. Comfort food. Food that makes you feel good emotionally. Food for the soul. Food that gives emotional warmth. You are what you eat. Eating healthy makes you feel healthy.
These are great for daily conversation. Remember, eating well is not just for your body, it's for your heart.
And your English grows when you enjoy learning just like you enjoy a good snack.
So today, maybe choose one mood-boosting food.
And give your day a little extra sunshine.
We're proud of you, always. See you next time. Bye-bye.